used to call this a whirly bird, right? You're going to fake the hitch and then spin on out of that like a whirly bird. Get it? You see Watson clear it out, right? He's going to run through. He's going to take that safety in that corner. Jayden Reed is going to go up, run a hitch route, going to get the linebacker to stop his feet, and then he's going to whirly bird out of this thing. I mean, we're going to bet Jayden Reed can redirect and restart his feet faster than that linebacker can. So this whole thing was set up to try and get this matchup right here. Edmonds is about to break on the hitch, and then he whirly birds out of there for the throw to the pylon and a touchdown in a wild card playoff game.